Thank you for watching. I'm here today to give you some general information and a brief overview and my first impressions on this Osfel Stainless Steel Snackle Box sent to me by the seller for evaluation and available to you on Amazon. This little snackle box is amazing. Let me tell you some of the things that I really love about it and why I think you'll love it too. In a nutshell, I'm really pleased with the products that I use from Osfel, and I was really excited to get this in the mail. So I want to point out some of the really cool features about it. But let's start with the other guy's snackle box. The biggest difference to me comes down to quality of materials and quality of construction. With the Osfel, you're going to find a sturdy stainless steel, and with the other people, you're going to find a flimsy plastic. Also, the cups themselves are just a little bit larger than those flimsy plastic ones, which means you can hold more in them. And that's a big deal on those long flights or those long drives with kids in the back of the car. And another thing that I really like about the Osfel is that each of the containers comes with a separate lid. So let's say, for instance, you're in your car and you've got some kids in the back and one of them wants a snack. You go to hand them this, oh no, all of a sudden, but with Osfel, save yourself from that mess. Who is this really good for? Well, obviously those long drives, these snackle boxes help a lot. Same thing with long flights as well. In addition, certainly you've got the food that you can put in it, nuts, berries, candies, fruits, those types of things. Also, vegetables and dips go really well in this. But also, this can help you with organizing around your home. If you didn't want to use it for food or looking for something else to use it for besides food, you can put nails and screws, bolts, nuts, those types of things in here. Can go in your garage, can also store things around your house. In addition to nuts and bolts and organizing around your house, you can also organize around your kitchen and use these to store your spices. And because they're made out of stainless steel, they're much easier to keep clean and take care of. If you're looking for a way to keep your snacks a little bit better organized when you're traveling, or if you're looking for a way to keep your garage or kitchen better organized, I highly recommend that you give these Osfel snackle boxes a look. They work for me. They are absolutely a keeper. Maybe they will work for you as well.